Weave the long strap through the holes in the wheel bracket in this pattern, avoiding twists with the cam buckle facing down. Do not thread the cam buckle yet. With the drain plug toward the wheels, drop the cooler down onto the wheel bracket. Keep the strap free of slack and make sure the cam buckle is positioned no more than 2 inches from the cooler. Pull down the knots of the rope handle. Push the handle bracket up into the molded handle of the cooler. Drop the strap into the integrated tie-down slot. Pull down the rope handle. Thread the long strap through the dangling ring and through the cam buckle. Wrapping the strap around one hand and placing the other hand on the top of the cooler, pull the strap tight with an upward motion. This may take a couple of tugs to accomplish a tight fit. The wheel bracket should pull snug to the other side of the cooler. On the wheel bracket side of the cooler, thread the short strap down through the integrated tie-down slot of the cooler to the wheel bracket and back up through the cam buckle. Now you can cut the excess strap and melt the end to prevent fraying. We recommend 10 to 15 inches of extra strap for tightening. Tuck the 10 to 15 inches of slack back through the ring to keep it out of the way. If done properly, the Rambler should now be tight to the cooler. The wheel bracket should be centered and snug. The Rambler ships with the axle in the higher position or the level cooler position. If more clearance is desired, pull the pin clip out of the axle, remove the wheel assembly, and reassemble in the lower axle position, the all-terrain position.